Nanjing Port is located in Nanjing City, Jiangsu Province, China. Nanjing Port is a major coastal port, the main hub port and a first-class port open to the outside world. The main hub port for functional and comprehensive river-to-sea transshipment. Nanjing Port has more than 50 wharves, including 13 deep-water berths with 10,000-ton level and 6 berths at anchorages above 10,000-ton level. There are dozens of international routes from Nanjing Port to all over the world. As an important port in the coastal area of China, Nanjing Port has the 53rd largest annual throughput in the world. In order to better protect the wharves and hulls, Nanjing Port Group purchased batches of fenders from our company in 2014. At that time, our engineers guided the installation and service of fenders on site. Now 6 years have passed and our fenders are still in use very well. Our client is very satisfied with our products. There are many vessels berthing in Nanjing Port every day, which effectively protects the hulls well. Our quality and service are approved and trusted by our client. In accordance with the Piang 2002 standard, our QC department has strict control of the quality from the selection of rubber raw materials to every aspect of production. According to client requirements, we can invite third party to test our products, and third parties issue inspection reports before shipment. Good quality is what we have always been proud of. Our fenders are mostly used in wharves to protect from being damaged. It is easy to install and maintain and can be produced a maximum length of 3,000 mm according to client requirements. Thanks to our clients for their trusting the quality of our products, our company can never forget our original intention and insist on a good performance to better serve our clients.